relations. Part na rin yun na to be inspired and motivated. Diba? Kahit gaano kayo kabisi sa inyong pagiging estudyante, kahit gaano kadaming boards during nyo sa college, ay yung tipo, hindi na kayo nakikita sa bahay, ay yung tipo na yung boards na during nyo sa college, gabi na kayo nakikita, matutunan na hindi na kayo nakikita, kasi kayo sa mga gabi yung pictures. Right? Let me share with you. College ako, not that I'm bragging about this, pero I just want to inspire you. Naniwala pa kayo ng college, first year, fourth year sa Pilipinas, I had 16 organizations all at the same time. Labing-anim. Around which I was either the founder of the organization or the president or the chair. Kaya niyo ba yun? Is that impossible? Does this sound too good to be true? Guys, it's provable. That's because the same principles that I'm sharing with you, yan ang mga bagay na ginawa ko sa mga job. Pero, just to be able to maintain and preserve my family relations, ang hindi ko nakakalimutan gawin, kahit parang border na ako sa bahay namin, kasi ako ako sa kaibigan, Rizal. Tapos sa school ko sa pag-esa kanila, so gano'n malayo ako araw. So parang border na ako sa amin, hindi ko yung kasama sa ginagawa ng kita kasi napasok na ako ng isa tumating sa point na dami na commitments sa school, pag-academic commitments, kasama ko sa mga bata o kabataan ng college ka, nagsasara na dito ng PUP. Not exaggerating. Kailangan ko na lahat ng budget na tayo. Pero guys, the reason why I was able to do it, dahil hindi ko nakakawin ng ano ko, kasi I was able to give importance and preserve family relations through open communication. Guys, bilang split up pagmahal sa aking mga magulang, at gaano kadami ang works nyo, at gaano kadami ang gagawin nyo sa inyong pag-aaral, text them. Mama, Papa, meron na po kami event na i-organize. Medyo wala na po ako ng maraming oras. Baka gagawin na ako ng pag-head. But don't worry, kasi safe ako dito. And may mga kasama kami professors, may mga kasama kami mga kanda. So always inform them. And that alone already takes care of your challenges with family relations. Okay, lahat naman sa kunin ko may cellphone, di ba? Sino wala pang cellphone? Wala? Oh, pero may mga landline sa paligid, tama? Ngayon, kung wala kayong cellphone, pwede makitext. Ngayon, kung ang inyong mga magulang, kapatid ay walang cellphone, sulat. Sulat. I'm just exaggerating, but my point here is do whatever it takes to communicate with them and to keep them updated about their life. Are we clear? Okay. Ano ba? Just to make sure please you remember. So what are you going to do to be able to handle your academic affairs, family relations, and time very well? First, what did I say? You have to be in the right course. Right? Next, you need to set smarter goals. Next, you need to be productive. Next, you need to be inspired and motivated by your loved ones, for whom you're offering your efforts to. Right? And next, you have, okay, you need to have fun. Not just what you are doing with studying or learning from your professors, but being with your friends. Diba? Are you having fun with the friends you're socializing with? There you go. And last but not least, ano sinabi ko? You have to manage yourself and your priorities. Know what's need to be done first. Know those things that, what, are really contributing something productive or something helpful to your life. Set aside your takeaway goals that are not contributory to your success in life because they're not going to help you. you. Alright. Are you learning from me?
Yeah.